There was once a young student named Arav who lived in a small village. He was an average student in school, neither too bright nor too dull. He always felt overshadowed by his classmates who excelled in different subjects. Despite his efforts, Arav's grades were never as high as he wanted them to be. One day, feeling particularly disheartened after receiving a poor grade on a test he had studied hard for, Arav decided to visit his grandfather, who was known in the village for his wisdom. Arav, life is not just about what you see in front of you, his grandfather began. Do you see that forest on the edge of our village? People fear to enter it because they say it's easy to get lost. But there is a hidden path within that forest, known only to a few. Those who find it reach a beautiful meadow full of flowers and fruits. But to find that path, one must first believe that it exists, even if they can't see it. Arav looked puzzled. But how does this relate to my studies, Dadaji? His grandfather smiled. The forest is like your journey in school. The difficulties you face are the thick trees and the darkness within. But somewhere in this journey is a hidden path, the key to your success. Most give up before they find it, but those who believe in themselves and keep searching will discover it. The key is perseverance, not just talent. Inspired by his grandfather's words, Arav decided to change his approach. He realized that while he might not be the smartest student, he could be the most determined. He started waking up early to study, asking questions in class, and seeking help whenever he didn't understand something. Slowly but surely, his grades improved. Months passed, and Arav became one of the top students in his class. His classmates, who once outshone him, began to look up to him as a source of inspiration. Arav had found his hidden path, one of hard work, resilience, and belief in himself. And just like the beautiful meadow his grandfather spoke of, Arav's success was a sight to behold, blooming with the fruits of his labor. The moral of the story is simple. Success isn't always about being the best at something from the start. It's about perseverance, believing in yourself, and never giving up, even when the path seems difficult to find.